Another 5.
Five,
So
cool.
this is called 20 for everything.
20, and then I had those two.
22.
22. Would you do 15 on the helmet?
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Oh, yeah. Stay here. I'm gonna go see the highway more. I'm gonna set this over here somewhere. Sure. Hey, here, can I just take that for you? Thank you.
Yeah, I did. So anything you want, except what's on the workbench you can have. $2 each? Sure. Huh?
It says 2 for the picture, and then I don't know about the cookbook.
Buck? Thank you.
Thank you. Is this already somebody?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got these little things. Oh, we got them. Okay. Let's see here. These guys.
But that stuff in that box?
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, I was asking him. See, I actually pulled them out of my picture. And these.
Nervous?
It is.
And
That's
then
what
this
that
one.
one.
Yes.
Okay.
Very much so.
There, come on. They have a.
So you can put any kind of blade on it you want, but I use the for the metal.
Yeah, this is full of stuff.
Yes, I saw that.
Yeah.
Oh, he
Get
took
a
the
camper.
holes too?
What do you do? There's a camper going on the road.
Excuse me.
You know, some people on church did that.
I've never seen snow.
You're selling all your fishing poles.
On our way to Spiceland, and we see the sign, you said, you want to go back?
Yeah, I only advertise on Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. When we get ready to sell the house and all the possessions in it, once the house sells, then put that in there.
Good luck on your endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you homeschooling too?
Oh, I don't have any kids at home.
This is my baby girl. Got ready to have another one.
How much you have on these little headsets here?
They are brand new, so $5 a piece.
$5 a piece, sure. And then,
They just, I could not get them to work with my
yeah, they're complicated.
Citrix setup.
Right, yeah.
So it irritated me that I paid for them and I could never get them to work.
I got you. And that one says 5, but that one
Yeah.
doesn't have a price on it either.
Another 5.
5,
So
cool.
this is called 20 for everything.
20, and then I had those two.
22.
22. Would you do 15 on the helmet?
Absolutely.
Okay, so 37?
Yep.
Okay.
Is the stuff on that shelf for sale?
No, that stuff is not for sale yet.
Okay.
Just the stuff this way at the
This
door.
way,
Yep,
okay.
nothing under the tarp.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
There's 35. 37.
All right.
Thank you very much. And there's more in the shed, you said?
Do you,
Oh, thank you so much.
need a bag?
Sure, if you have one handy.
Yes, I do. I have a million reusable bags, and they're
Awesome.
finally going to good use. So,
Cool.
yeah, I'm glad you can reuse those headsets. I wish I could have figured out how to get them to work, but they created more problems than they helped.
They can be complicated, I do know
Yeah.
that. Thank you so much. And where's the shed at?
Is my husband out there?
Yeah, he went out there.
If you just go through the gate, it's the shed on the right.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
We'll go out there and we can see what he's selling.
Sure. I think he's out there, so yeah.
Would you do 15 for both of these?
What does he have on it?
Hello there.
Hi. She said I could look out here. Is that okay?
Come on in.
Okay. Spot a few things in there.
Has a plane.
Oh, okay. Are you a fireman?
Retired.
Retired fireman? How much you have on the fan here?
$5.
$5, sure. I'll take that.
There's saws, clamps, squares. That's a socket set.
Socket set, okay. How much you got on that set there?
Huh?
How much you got on that set there?
10.
$10.
Potato blade. Except for this. This is old. Come on in.
We got your old fan here.
Huh?
The fan.
Yeah, I just bought that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Want it?
Mm-hmm. And then I'm gonna take those Craftsman set over there too for 10,
So it's 15.
15.
I don't have change though.
Okay. Let me see if I do. How much was the blade?
The blade,
Yeah,
5.
5. Deal.
That'll work. I've got files in here. 33 years.
Thank you so much, buddy. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, I would say that was a pretty successful garage sale. I mean, there's still snow on the ground. Look at that. Look at that snow. It's starting to melt. It's gonna be warmer today. All right, let's get it back and see what we got. I'm on the way home from that yard sale, and I forgot I had a little Facebook Marketplace porch pickup to pick up. So I did that real quick. So now we're gonna go back home, and I'm gonna show you everything we picked up. Not a bad little haul, I don't think. So I'll see you soon. All right, everybody, we are back in the garage. Real quick, let me explain why I think this sale was so great, at least in my case. During these colder months, I've gotten pretty lucky with things like private picks or finding like big estate clean out type sales or moving sales, things like that. And I mean, honestly, those are my favorite sort of picking situations. That's where I find like the cool vintage rare stuff that I love, and I hope those continue throughout the summer. However, this was just like the first regular classic just basic garage sale that I've been to since probably October, maybe September. Just people putting their excess out in the garage at decent prices, and they're willing to haggle and nickel and dime and all that stuff. And it just felt good to be in that kind of situation again. I'm sure there'll be a lot more of that coming up, but this was the first one, and I'm excited to have found it. So real quick, let me show you the stuff I did pick up to resell. First, this was that porch pickup that I had scheduled on the same day. This is a Logitech Harmony Smart Control, still brand new in the box. Paid 15 bucks for this. This is the kind of boring stuff that I don't really video that much, but it's the stuff you gotta do. These are worth about 50 to 75 on eBay, but I'm gonna pop this on Amazon for 110, and if it's like all the other ones that I've sold over the last 6 months, it'll probably sell within 2 days. So I'm happy to have found that for 15 bucks. Nothing exciting, but it's just bread and butter for me. As far as the garage sale itself, I got 2 little CB radios. I don't buy these a lot anymore. A lot of times they're overpriced, but these are only $5 a piece, and they're in pretty good shape. This one is Realistic brand, good condition. Microphone's in good condition. There's not a lot of rust. All the back looks good. You can normally get about 20 to 25 out of those. So nothing, no huge home runs today, but just good little flips. This one is like brand new. It's a Radio Shack model TRC 501. It was also $5. Probably about the same, between 20 and 30 bucks when all is said and done. I grabbed a couple headsets for $5 a piece. Plantronics Blackwire 3210. Probably nothing special on this. Maybe 15 to 20 if I'm lucky. This one's pretty decent actually. It's a Sprocked Zoom Maestro BT headset, Bluetooth and all that jazz. This one is actually brand new in the box. It's not even been, the cord's not even been undone or anything. So this one should do a little bit better than the other one. Pretty decent little flip for $5. Grabbed this little fireman guy for $1 just because I thought it was cute, so I'll pop that on the website. This was kind of a silly buy. I paid $1 for these Cummins earbuds. I've done pretty well with like Cummins hats and stuff like that before, so I thought maybe I could just kind of bulk it with something. I grabbed this Craftsman saw blade. It's a 7-inch thin rim dado set, brand new in the package. Paid $5 for it. Really only got this because the guy didn't have change, and I figured it was worth something. Looks like probably 15 or 20. So again, no big deal. This is a Craftsman 75th anniversary router bet set. Just thought it was cool that it was like the 75th anniversary in this nice wooden box. It's all there. It's all in good shape. Paid 10 for this, and I figure on the low end it's probably worth 25. We'll see exactly what I end up getting for it. This was a great little score. This Zero fan. I've done really well on these in the past. This one was only $5 and it oscillates. Plugged it in, it works just fine. These things blow out crazy amounts of air, and I really like them. We would keep one of these in the house if it wasn't for the fact that a kid could get their finger just chopped right off in there. So I normally pop these in the antique booth and get somewhere between 25 and 50 bucks for them, just kind of depending on the model. So definitely pick these up at $5. This is probably my favorite thing I bought. The gentleman there was a retired firefighter. Can't really believe that he was selling his old helmet, but I was happy to buy it. They were asking 20. I got them down to 15. These can be worth a ton of money. This one, probably not that much. It's a Cairns, but I thought it had a cool look to it. Not really sure how old it was. Looks like it used to say Buddy on there, number 35. Probably why he ended up having to replace it was because this little strap thing is broken there. But for decorators purposes or someone that wants to restore it, I don't think that'll matter too much, but I just thought that was really cool, and there was no way that I was going to leave that sitting there. All right, guys, so all in all, not a bad little start to this garage sale season. It's starting to hop along a little bit. It's still late February, so I'm feeling pretty good about the spring and summer, and I wish you all the best of luck, too, in your personal garage sale endeavors. But that is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.